Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ren. I'm known as Daily Queen. Yes, we are queen over here. On this channel is all about home decor, cooking, cleaning, vlogging. So yes, if you have not joined the family yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And also if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today is going to be cooking day, putting my groceries away and showing you guys how I get my meal prep for the week. So yeah. So let's get into the video. Guys, this is everything. Like, if you haven't tried this popsicle, you need to. It's really good. It's really good. I love all the flavor, and my children, they love these too. So first I season my chicken because I love a good old seasoning. Like I just can't eat any meat without seasoning it like properly. So yes, and I let it marinate for like a day before. You can do a couple hours, which is fine. And here we go. We are going to cook the rice. I don't know how you guys cook your rice, but the way I cook mine is very simple. Just with salt, water, of course you need water, salt and oil. Sometimes I use butter, and onions. Sometimes I don't use onions. Sometimes I do. My husband loves adding onion to it, so I do add onion to mine. Let me know, how do you guys cook your rice? Do you just simply just cook it with salt or just without salt? Just let me know. Put it down in the comment section below, please. Oh yes, wash your rice. Wash your rice. I mean, I would say it's okay not to wash it if you want to, because sometimes when I'm cooking certain rice, I don't wash it, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with it. The reason why a lot of people say it's good to wash your rice, that I know, is it take the sugar out. It's healthier, and it take the sugar out a little bit. So yes, wash your rice if you want to eat a healthy, which is good for all of us. I love how my rice turned out. It looks so yummy. Here I am going to air fry my chicken. Air fry. I air fry everything. I'm just saying. If you know, you know. And if you haven't get air fryer yet, please, please, please. It's good. Like, it's good. Look at this chicken. Like, just look at this chicken and tell me. So good. And I go ahead and wash the fish. I like to get this kind of fish because it's easy to work with. Just take it, wash it, and season it, and guess what, air fry it. Yep, that's what I'm doing here too. It turned out so good and tastes so good, y'all. Like, I'm telling y'all, this meal prep, it was easy and tastes so yummy. I really like working with fresh tomato, not just because it's healthy for you, but it's easy to cook. Like you don't have to put a lot into it before it tastes good, because it's really good. Just fresh tomato and fresh onion is my go-to easy fast meal making. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah, you got the point. Yes, that's a sign of the yummy, delicious vegetable mix sound. Yo, this vegetable was so good. Yes, we are about to play it. This is my favorite part. Please. All right. This meal prep helped me a lot every week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I did. Don't forget to subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and like the video. Please, if you are new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe because it helped me a lot. It motivates me to really do a video like this. And as always, I love you, but God love you more. Bye.